guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, today's video, we are going to be unboxing this bag. I told you in my last video when I unboxed this one that I had another bag coming. So it's here and we're gonna unbox it. Now I'm just gonna tell you guys, I am not big on sending things back. It rarely happens with me, but with this one, if I don't absolutely love it, I will send it back. I don't know how I'm gonna feel, so we're gonna get into it, see if I love it. I hope I do, and I'm gonna talk about this bag. I've carried it this week, so I'm gonna talk about it. And look, you guys, I added the baby rabbit. How cute is that? Mama rabbit and baby rabbit. Ah! All right, guys, let's get into the video. First of all, it is crazy weather down here in Alabama. So one day last week, a couple of days in a row, it was really, really warm. One day it hit 80. I was wearing shorts and a tank top. Today, it was like 30. And it snowed yesterday like crazy. It is so cold here, you guys. I can't even feel my fingers. I swear. Only in the South, I think. We have such bipolar weather here. All right, guys, I just showed it to you. My bag of the day in the last few days is this Rowan. I just got it. And the big question is, will this scratch the itch? Well, I'm going to tell you guys, I've used it several days. It's a really nice bag. And I think I've loved the little rabbits more than the actual bag. I don't think it's going to scratch the itch, you guys. It's a nice bag. I am enjoying it. I kind of knew better, you guys, but it is that shape that I was wanting, so I don't know. This may end up in a vlog sale, and I'm not going to send it back because I've used it all week. Of course, I wouldn't do that, but I like it. I really do, but am I in love with it? No, I'm not. I even thought to myself, what it is, I don't want to spend $4,100 plus tax on the soft Speedy when I have a million bags. So I'm just kind of at the point in my bag journey, I guess, whatever, where I just don't want to just add bag on top of bag on top of bag. So I probably will have a vlog sale coming up. This Butte may be in it, and like I said, it's I mean, it's a beautiful bag, but I think I will have a vlog sale because I do have a few bags in my closet that are just sitting there, and I try to talk people out of selling stuff because I'm not really into selling my bags that much unless I'm sure, because a lot of times you can say you're going to sell something, then you're relieved that you didn't, and that's me. I'm talking about myself, really. So anyway, you guys, this is a beautiful bag, you know, pebbled leather with the zip. It's a beautiful bag and it's really pretty. It goes with just about anything, and I really like it, but it is not going to scratch my itch, you guys. I knew it when I made my last video. You know, the editing, I put this is not going to work. I knew it wouldn't, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, you guys. I'm going to carry this bag the rest of the week until the weekend, and we'll just see what happens in the future. Because today I was out shopping and I saw several Coach bags that I haven't seen in person, and I resisted. I resisted because I don't want to just keep adding. I mean, if I give a bag to my sister, or if I give a bag away to someone or sell a bag, then I think, okay, you know, I can get a bag. I like this bag a lot. I'm very fond of it, but I'm not blown away by it. So that's all we'll say about that right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing because I'm really anxious to see how I'm going to feel about it when I open it. Let's go ahead and open the box and see if I'm blown away, because today I went to, where was I? Dillard's, and I saw some Coach bags that did blow me away. I didn't buy anything, but the Kiss Lock bag, the kind of rattan, you know, it comes in the multicolor. I'll put a picture up of it. And the brown, oh my gosh, the brown one blew me away. It is so tightly woven, so well made. And I'm not going to be surprised if I buckle and get that one. But as I said, going forward, bags have to blow me away. And I don't know, you guys. I just feel really bad about the Rowan. I mean, it's nice. It's really nice. I just can't stop thinking about the Louis Vuitton Soft Speedy. And then I said, I would kind of be settling if I just got the Empreinte, but I do love that as well. I have several Empreinte bags, and they're gorgeous. So we'll see what happens there, you guys. But I want my bags to blow me away. So let's go ahead and check it out. And I don't remember on the last video if I told you guys which bag that it is. It's a little small one, and you can probably guess which one that it is. So we're gonna go ahead and open it, and it comes in other colors. I'm giving hints like crazy. So it's the little, what is this called? It is the Plaza 22. The Plaza 22. I do love it. Okay. That is cute, you guys. Okay. When I was looking at this on the website, I almost bought the white one, and I do love the light color one, but I thought I would use this one a lot more. And I don't have, well, I do have small going out bags, but I love bags like this for the weekend. So let me go ahead and get all this off of it, because I can tell you right now, I'm going to keep it. This one's a keeper. I absolutely do love this because it gives me those kind of retro vibes. Yeah, I like the vibe that this bag is giving off. So let me come right back and take all this off, and I'll talk about it. Okay guys, so I took everything off. I looked it over. I love it. I love it. I had told Dawn about it, so she knew kind of what my plight was about this, and she said, I think you're gonna love it. It's like a little pochette, and it is. That's what it is. And it's so, it has a vintage retro look. Look at that. Look at that. Now, if you want to see a really good video up close and personal of this bag, you can watch La Vida with Kim. She did a really good video this week, and I will link her video below. Hi, Kim. And she told me, girl, you're gonna want the white one, and now I do. But I'm not gonna get it, okay? Maybe if it went on sale, I would. I'm happy with this, and I really like it. I'm gonna do a mod shot for you guys, but this is the perfect little going out bag, and I love these little small shoulder bags that you use on the weekends. So yeah, but be sure and check out Kim's video, because she does a up close and personal video on this bag, and she goes through everything, and she did a fabulous job. So I do want to refer you to her video, but this is great. I absolutely love it. So let me try it on for you and show you what it looks like on me. Okay, so here's the bag. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. Look how cute this is. Look how cute. I just think it's so cute over the shoulder. I love it. I really do. I absolutely love it. I love the vibe that it gives off. I just love the little shoulder moment. I love it, you guys. So this is definitely a keeper. Maybe if the white one goes on sale, I might get it later, because these are bags that, these are the kinds of bags, rather, that I like to use on the weekend. And it just feels so good. It's so cute up on the shoulder like that. So yeah, she's a keeper. All right, guys. So look what I did. I put some of those little charms. I put the little dice and the little the little bow on it. I've got it all ready for the weekend. So this is definitely a little weekend bag. Oh, and I put the little mushroom on it. And then in the front, I put that little star. How cute is that? I love these little charms. I didn't get the little flower charm. I think I'm going to go back and get that. But anyway, you guys, I love this. This I love. This one I really like, but it is not scratching the itch. So I've got a dilemma, you guys. And I've got a dilemma because I really want that soft Speedy, but I don't want to, like I said, keep adding bags on top of bags unless I love them. If I love them, that's fine. Like, I love this, and I'm going to use this a lot on the weekends. I'm using it this weekend. How cute is it? How cute is this bag with these little charms? So if you have this bag, you might want to pick up some of these little charms. But this video kind of worked out differently than what I was expecting, because I was expecting that I might not be blown away by this, but I am. I absolutely love it. And so I'm keeping it. And then this bag that I really, really like a lot. I really do. But it has not even begun to scratch the itch. So I don't know. I might be selling a few bags. And I don't have to justify myself to you guys, because you guys don't care, but to justify myself to myself, I might sell a few things to help fund that bag, because as I said, I want to be more responsible. What is happening to me and Winnie? Winnie! What is happening to us? I mean, Winnie's being all logical these days, and here I am trying to be logical and not just buy bags on a whim. We may be growing up after all. I don't know. But anyway, guys, this is a win-win 100%. And I am dying over these little charms on this bag. How cute are these? You could even put a couple hanging there. Just so cute. So, so cute. A small bag with some small little charms. But you guys, what do you think about this? So go watch La Vida with Kim and watch her up close and personal video on this bag, because I watched it last night because I knew this was coming in today. So yeah, it's a keeper. I love it, and I really, really like this, but it's not scratching the itch. Anyway, you guys, what do you think I should do? I have a dilemma and I need your help. You guys are my friends, so tell me what you really think. Should I settle? Should I not settle? Even if when I said the Empreinte Louis Vuitton, like a black Speedy, that's still settling. Yeah, that's still settling as well. I'm going to ponder on this for a while, because I really do need your help. Okay, guys, so I'll see you again hopefully this weekend, and I hope everybody's having a great week. Peace.